Welcome to our guide on the 10 best indoor plants to have at home. Each of these plants is not only beautiful, but also brings unique benefits to your living space. Let's explore why they deserve a spot in your home. Snake plant, Sansevieria. The snake plant is a favorite among plant enthusiasts due to its resilience and striking appearance. Its tall, sword-like leaves can tolerate low light and irregular watering, making it perfect for beginners. Additionally, the snake plant is known for its air-purifying qualities, as it can filter out toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, ensuring the air in your home is cleaner and fresher. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is a classic indoor plant that's easy to care for and visually appealing. Its long, arching leaves with white stripes make it an attractive addition to any room. Beyond its beauty, the spider plant is also a powerful air purifier, removing pollutants like carbon monoxide and xylene from the air. It's an excellent choice for those who want a low-maintenance plant that also improves indoor air quality. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is renowned for its elegant white flowers and lush green foliage. It's a low-light plant, making it ideal for dim corners of your home. Peace lilies are also highly effective at removing mold spores from the air, which can help reduce allergens in your living space. Their ability to thrive with minimal care makes them a popular choice for busy households. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a plant. It's a natural remedy. Its thick, fleshy leaves contain a gel that's commonly used to treat minor burns and cuts. Aloe vera is a sun-loving succulent, so it thrives in bright, indirect light. It requires little water, making it easy to care for. Having an aloe vera plant at home means you'll always have a soothing gel on hand for those small kitchen accidents. Pothose, Epiprimnum aureum. Pothose is a versatile vine that can grow in almost any condition, from low light to bright, indirect sunlight. Its heart-shaped leaves come in various shades of green, often with beautiful variegation. Pothose is also known for its air-purifying capabilities, effectively removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene. Its trailing vines can be trained to climb or left to cascade, making it a flexible and attractive addition to any space. ZZ plant, Zamioculca zamifolia. The ZZ plant is famous for its glossy, dark green leaves and its ability to thrive in low light and with minimal watering. It's almost indestructible, making it an ideal plant for those who don't have a green thumb. The ZZ plant also helps to improve indoor air quality by removing toxins like toluene and xylene. Its sleek, waxy appearance adds a modern touch to any room, making it both functional and stylish. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is known for its large, glossy leaves that can make a bold statement in any room. It prefers bright, indirect light and occasional watering, which helps it grow into a striking indoor tree. The rubber plant is also excellent at filtering airborne toxins, making your home's air cleaner. Its impressive height and deep green leaves add a touch of sophistication and natural beauty to your home. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston ferns are prized for their lush, feathery fronds that add a touch of nature to indoor spaces. They thrive in humid environments, making them perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Boston ferns are also effective at removing toxins, like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. Their delicate, cascading fronds create a soothing, green oasis, adding tranquility to your home. Monstera deliciosa. Known as the Swiss cheese plant, Monstera deliciosa is loved for its large, dramatic leaves with natural holes that give it a unique, tropical look. It thrives in bright, indirect light and can grow quite large, making it a centerpiece in any room. Monstera plants are also known for their air-purifying abilities, helping to keep your indoor environment healthy. Their bold, exotic appearance makes them a popular choice for those looking to add a touch of the jungle to their homes. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. The jade plant, often associated with good luck and prosperity, is a popular succulent that's easy to care for. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, so it only needs occasional watering. The jade plant prefers bright light, making it perfect for sunny windowsills. Its compact size and attractive, Rounded leaves make it a great addition to desks, shelves, or any small space that needs a little greenery. These tin indoor plants are not just decorative, but also contribute to a healthier and more inviting home environment. Whether you're a seasoned plant lover or just starting out, these plants are sure to bring life and beauty to your living space. Happy planting!